Very good morning, students. Previous class I will explain question number 3rd. Now I want to explain question number 4th. That is, here we have to simplify. Means whatever power and exponents are given, we have to simplify that exponents. So just you see here, a into b square is there. Means power 2 is there. So if you will remove this small bracket, then this both power will come individual power. Okay, means like this, a power 2, b power 2, like this. If you will remove a small bracket, then power will come individual each variable. If 3 variable will be there, then like this, means a plus a b c and a square is there, power 2 is there, then it will come a square, b square, c square, like this. Means you will remove the small bracket, power will come individual the power. Okay. Next one, 9c square and then whole square. So 9c square means 9 square is, and then c square is there. Okay. So 9 square is 81 and c square, then power will be multiplied. So 2 2 is 4. So c power 4 come answer. This is the final answer. 81 c power 4. Next one, minus 4 x power 4 y power 3 whole power 8. So we have to solve here. Minus 4 power 8 will come, and here x power 4 into 8, and then y power 3 into 8, like this. Okay, means this 8 will come for each variable and constant, whatever constant or variable are there, then it will come. Just if any number is negative and power is even, then answer will come always positive. So just you remove this minus. So 4 power 8 and x power 8 4 is 32 and y power 24. This is the final answer. Okay. And if you want to find value of this 4 power 8, you can find, but you will multiply 8 times 4, then you will get the final answer. Okay. Otherwise, this is also a correct answer. Leave it. Now next one, minus 7a square b power 3 has whole power 3. So what we will do in this case? Minus 7 cube means minus 7 power 3 and a square into 3 into b 3 into 3. Okay. So minus 7 square power 3 means minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7 3 times. So if you want, you can multiply minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7, and a power 6 will come and b power 9 will come. Okay. Now 7 7 is 49, 49 7 is 3 4 3 will come, minus 3 4 3 and a power 6 b power 9. This is the final answer. Okay. So whatever power will be there, just you put the power for each variable and whatever constant inside is there, then again same power will come on the constant also, and you can find value of the constant also. Okay, by multiplying power, whatever power is there. Now you can take one more example, minus 3 a power 7 b power minus 3 and whole power 2 is there. Now what we'll do in this case? So again we can do like this, minus 3 power 2 will come, minus 3 power 2 will come, and a power 7 into 2 will come, and b power minus 3 into 2 will come. Okay. Now after then minus 3 square means minus 3 into minus 3, so it will come 9, and a 7 into 2, a will come 14 and b will come minus 6. So 9 into a power 14, b power minus 6. This is the final answer. Or if you want to put this minus positive, if you can convert, then b will go in denominator part, means it will come like fraction as it is. Means 9 a power 14 upon b power 6. This is the final answer. Okay. Like this you can do the question. Whatever question are there, just you solve as whatever power is there, just you put individual power for each the constant and variable, and then multiply. If multiplication and if minus is there, then put minus below. Means a 9 a power 14 into upon b power 6 will come. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, that's all.